Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting, and today we're going to do a really quick Michaels haul. I needed some, my cat doesn't like when I tape, when I record. I needed some last minute items for my sister's party, and so I thought Michaels, they were having some big discounts, so I thought that would help. So let's go ahead and go take a look. So again, this is going to be really fast. I only got one bag full of stuff. It was not the sales that I thought it was going to be, but that's okay. So first I got this gold, well it's gold, it's actually 5 different colors of foil cardstock paper. And I wanted the gold because the party, the theme is black, white, and gold. So I thought I was going to use this for a sign. I doesn't look like I'm going to use it, but anyway, I got it. So foil cardstock paper. And then I got some E6000 in the baby tubes because that's the only way I can get it to last longer than a month or two. So I got the baby E6000. And then I have completely gotten into the diamond painting. 100% all in. I've got like 5 different boxes of the 5 different canvases with the diamond painting. So I figured I needed a place to officially put all of the beads. So this is a bead landing, and they are small little containers similar to what you get at the Dollar Tree, that size, but they're all in one case. So this will help me to stay organized. I can't stand when stuff is all over the place. I need it to be all in one place. So this will help me with my diamond painting, in my mind anyway. Now, I should say that I bought one of these from Hobby Lobby a couple weeks ago, but it wasn't the screw-on tops. It was just a flip down, and they flip up all the time, which means the beads are going to be everywhere if I move too quick. So that's not going to work. So these are screw down, so these should be better. And then last, I got the 10 by 10 canvas. And I got 3 of them because the ad was for if you buy 1, you get 2 free. And this was, I think, $8.99. So 3 10 by 10s for $8.99, which is a little less than $3 each, which is good by Dollar Tree standards, so I'm okay with it. These are good canvases. They've got the really nice stapled back. So of course you could use this as a frame because it is quite a wide frame or a wide piece of wood. So in my mind, I could use this actually backwards and use it as a frame instead of as a canvas. So 3 of those, I believe it was $8.99 for 3 of those. Now that sale, I think, is still going on, maybe one more week, I'm not sure. But it's a good sale if you use canvases a lot and you want a higher quality canvas than what the Dollar Tree can provide. That's all I got. I spent, how much did I spend? $44.12 after tax. And that was because of this thing. This cost me $17.99. I did not know it was $17.99. I thought it was $12.99 from the way the shelf was priced, but I didn't look close enough to notice. So, you know, whatever. I need it. It's a couple dollars more, $5 more. It's okay. But I thought this was supposed to be $12.99. It was $17.99. That was pretty high. And I also thought that the crafts, the storage supplies were on sale for somewhere between 20 and 40% off, depending on which item. Well, this wasn't on sale at all, so that sucks. But whatever. That's all I got. 44 bucks at Michaels. A really quick trip to Michaels because I needed some items, I thought, for my sister's party, and it doesn't look like I'm going to use any of these items for that. But it's okay. I like the shopping. So, if you would, give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. And I thank you so much for stopping by today. Remember to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.